Hello there traders, good and welcome back again to this very channel. So on our previous video where I showed you guys, where I talked about how to master the forex market in 3 to 6 months, guys. So many of you guys was asking me to emphasize more on trading plan, and this very video, guys, I'll be showing you guys how to create your trading plan so you can be ahead of 99% of traders, guys, because I don't believe 99% of traders don't have a trading plan. So this very video I'll be helping you create your trading plan, everything that needs to be in your trading plan, everything you need to know, guys. So just stick to the very end of this video, because after this trading plan section I'll be taking you to my chart to show you a trade I caught on EURJPY and the reason why I executed that trade, guys. So stick to the very end of this video. Close your WhatsApp, close your Facebook, close your Instagram, and pay close attention as I walk you on how to create your trading plan, guys. So if you are new to the channel, hearing my voice for the first time, you're welcome to Gilbert of X. This is the channel where I post forex educational videos and also document my life as a forex trader from start to finish, guys. So don't miss out any single part of it, and subscribe to the channel if you really like what I'm doing. Also support your boy, guys, and join the community by checking the description down below. Join our Telegram community or WhatsApp community, guys. Thank you, and let's get into this video, guys. So as you can see on my screen, these are what you need to know, guys. These are things that need to be on your trading plan. You get the concept? So guys, on my screen here, this is what you need to know and what you need to take down on your to write down as your trading plan, guys. So get your jotter, get your pen. So first step, take a screenshot of this, keep it very safe. Okay, just take a screenshot of what you're saying, keep it very safe, because on my screen here you can see let's create your plan. Okay, so I'll be explaining every single aspect of it. What you're saying here, I'll explain it for you guys. So if you don't understand this video, I advise you to watch it twice so you can understand it and know what you're going to do. Okay, the first question there is, why are you trading? Okay, here you need to write on your trading plan, why are you trading? Okay, so you can say I'm trading to gain financial freedom, I'm trading to get rid of sakpa, I'm trading to help my family, blah blah. You know the reason why you're trading. It's best known to you guys. So the second one is your name. Just write your full name on your trading plan. You get what type of trader are you, which is the next one. Now you can either be a swing trader, you can be a scalper, you can be an intraday trader. Okay, let me explain these three types of traders for you. Now, scalpers, these are traders that look for small, they deal with the lower time frame, the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes. You get, so scalpers deals with the lower time frame. They look for smaller move of the market just to cash. Their aim is just to make small profits. You get the concept? While intraday traders, these are people that trade within the day. You get, their trade doesn't cross over to the next day. They just trade within that particular day. Then swing traders are traders that holds their trade for a very long time. You get, so you just have to pick the one that suits your personality. Swing traders are traders that can hold trades for days, months, you get, weeks, even yearly, guys. So they hold their trade for a very long time. So you know if your personality suits swing trader, swing trading, intraday trading, or scalper. You get, so that's the question there we have. Okay, the next one is, which instrument do you trade? Now you need to choose the kind of instrument you are trading. Are you trading synthetic indices? Are you trading GBP USD? Are you trading gold? Are you trading EURUSD? So what you have to do, you just have to write it. Just write all the pairs you are trading on your trading plan, and make sure you always stick to your trading plan, guys. Write all the pairs you are trading on your trading plan. Then the next one is, explain your strategy in details. Now you just have to explain your strategy on your trading plan. What is your strategy? You can create a strategy on your own, or you can copy your mentor strategy or some other person's strategy. You just have to explain your strategy. Let me see, my own strategy is I trade, there's what we call flip zone setup and trendline third touch. Okay, the flip zone setup. So what I do is that I'll just write down on my, I wrote down on my trading plan that I trade flip zone and trendline third touch setup, guys. So what I do is that I just write under my training plan in the aspect of explaining my strategy. I wrote something like, I trade flip zone and trend line third touch setup with a chart pattern or candlestick pattern as an entry criteria. Just simple. Just make it very simple like that. You need to understand your strategy that you can explain it to even your younger ones for them to understand it, guys. So the next one here is which time frame are you using, guys? You need to know the time frame you are using, and this time frame you are using is based on the kind of trader you are. If you are a scalper, you deal with the lower time frame. So if you are intraday trader, you deal with the early time frame. So a swing trader, you deal with the higher time frame. You get, so you just have to pick two time frame to work with. If you want to do your top down analysis, pick three time frame to work with. Please, if you have any question, make sure you comment down below. Anything you don't understand at all, make sure you comment down below or message me on WhatsApp, and I'll really help you out in getting your trading plan. Anything you don't understand, ask me, I'll help you out. Okay, the next one now. Okay, what is the maximum risk can you take? You get maximum risk can you take? That this one is equivalent to your capital. How much can you afford to lose? You get how much do you have to deposit your trading account? So if you have $100 to deposit your trading account, cool. You have $100 to deposit, which means you are willing to lose this $100. So you write it on your trading plan. Okay, how much are you willing to risk per trade? Now you write how much you are willing to risk per trade. Okay, if you have $100, you are willing to risk $20 per trade. Make sure you keep to it. You get the concept. Make sure you keep to what you are writing in your trading plan. Okay, you are willing to risk $20. You get the concept. The next one is, what is your daily loss threshold? Now your daily loss threshold is the amount of money you've lost a day and then you stop trading. You don't need to overtrade. You can write your daily loss threshold is maybe $20. If you lose $20, you're out of the market. You get the concept. Or you lose $40, you're out of the market. Once you lose $20 or $40 that day, stop trading. Wait till the next day. You just have to stick to your trading plan. And the next one is, what's your risk to reward ratio? Now your risk to reward ratio is just like, okay, I'll be showing you something in my chart. Just stick to very end of this day. I'll be showing you the trade I took. The trade I took was 1:4.31 risk to reward, which means I'm risking $1 to make $4.31. So that's the kind of risk to reward you need to have. You get the concept. So in this scenario, guys, since you are risking $20, you need to aim in making $40 and above. You get, so your risk to reward need to be like a minimum of 1:2. You are risking $1 to make $2 and above. You get, you cannot be risking $20 aiming in making $20. No, if you are risking $20, aim in making $40. You get, so even if you lose $20 in one trade, the next trade, if you win the next trade, you guys, the next trade win will cover your losses. So at the end of the day, you'll be profitable, guys. So the next one here is, what do I do? Okay, what do you do before and after placing a trade? Okay, what do you do before and after placing a trade? Before you place your trade, things you need to do first, calculate your risk to reward. Know how much you are risking and know how much you are making. You get, with this, it will help you not to be emotional if you are placing a trade. At least you know what you are risking and you know what you are aiming to make. You get the concept. So that's the kind of thing you need to do. You get. Okay, calculate your risk before your trade. Calculate your risk, calculate your lot size. You get, after your trade, journal the trade. So after the trade, what you have to do, journal, take down the trade, everything. Okay, let me see how to journal your trade. Now you write the reason why you took that trade. Okay, was the trade on a support level or resistance level or trend line level? You write it down, journal it down. Okay, what was the reason why I executed the trade? Like your entry criteria, journal it down. Okay, was the trade successful? Yes or no? If the trade was successful, take note of it. If it was successful, okay, now it will help you to maybe, let me say, when you have done a couple of trades on your own quiet time, you can come, okay, this trade, I lose this trade because I failed to do this. I try to avoid a mistake. Okay, I won this trade because I did this. Okay, try to stick to it. You get, since you won the trade, stick to it. So you lose this trade in order for you to do this. You get. So the next one here is that, okay, how can you be disciplined? How can you keep to your trading plan? How can you stay motivated? For you to stay motivated, you just have to follow your trading plan, guys. Now, since you are just starting in creating your trading plan, before you execute any trade, keep your trading plan in front of you. Open your trading plan. Okay, before executing a trade, make sure everything in your trading plan met. Okay, the trade you want to take, make sure the trade you are about to take meet your entry criteria, your strategy, and everything, your risk to reward, your risk management. You can just check your trading plan. Okay, do I have this one? Good. Okay, I have it. Do I have this one? Does this one meet my criteria? If okay, you execute the trade. See, if you keep to your trading plan, and even if you lose the trade, like I told you in our previous video, you are right. You get the concept. You are right. Now, with you journaling your trade, it will help you to sort out and filter things you did wrong that caused you to lose that trade, and it will help you to avoid those mistakes in the future. You get the concept. So long as you know, so long as you failed and you learn from your mistake, that one is not failure. You get. But when you failed and you refuse to sort out the reason why you failed and you still go back to do the same mistake, that one is a failure, guys. So anytime trade hits your SL, try to sort out why did this trade hit my SL? What was the reason? Okay, now once you get the reason and you know the reason why your SL was hit, try to avoid it in your future trades. Get once you avoid it, as you can sort out your mistake, the more mistake you avoid, the more money you make. So that's all for this trading plan, guys. So now let's head over to my chart. Okay, hope this was helpful. If it was helpful, make sure you like this video, guys. Comment down below something sweet and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Okay, so guys, here we are on my chart, and this was a trade I caught on EURJPY, guys. So this is a very good risk to reward ratio. It gave me a very good risk to reward ratio. I think 1:4.31 risk to reward ratio, which means I'm risking $1 to make $4.31. So it's very good. This trade gave me 152 pips. You get from my entry point to my take profit, it gave me 152 pips. So I'll be showing you guys the main reason why I executed this trade, guys. But before then, here, if you haven't watched our previous video, go watch our previous video where I analyze my chart and show you guys how I do send signal to my VIP members. So the chart I analyze in front of you guys there, the two signal I drop on my VIP, the both signal smash RTP, and here is the before and after screenshot, guys. So here's the first one I drop, and here is the second signal, guys. So do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon as I come here to drop Forex educational videos for you guys. So let's get into this video, and also to get free signal, make sure you join our Telegram group because I'll be dropping some free signal there for you guys. You get time to time, I'll be dropping free signal for you guys. So the main reason why I executed this trade was that, see this level, okay, from my 4-hour time frame, you get the concept. Price was going up, price was making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, price was making higher highs and higher lows here. So let me show you something. So here we are on my 4-hour time frame, and price was giving me this. Okay, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. You get the concept. So now at this point in time, I was waiting for that pullback. You get, I was waiting for that pullback that will break market structure to the upside. You get, so I was waiting for that pullback, and while waiting for the pullback, I discovered that okay, price pulled back to this point. You get, but it fails to break this. It fails to break this high. You get the concept. It fails to break the previous high. I'll say this kind of equal highs. You get, and then what happened? Price came down again. Price came down, went up again to this very level. It fails to break the level. So during this point now, price was consolidating at this point. You get, and I discovered that okay, I don't think price will. So at this point in time here, at this point in time where I start seeing the green candle, like the green candle has no power, has no momentum again, and now move on to my. Okay, I plotted my zone. So as you can see, my zone here, my support zone, and this blue line you are seeing was the zone I plotted to take my profit. So I now went to my 4-hour time frame, sorry, my 1-hour time frame. Okay, so on my 1-hour time frame here, I use one of my entry strategy. If you are my student or you have been watching some of my video, if you have been watching some of my video, you know that I do normally use my trend line as I do normally use my trend line as entry confirmation, as entry criteria based on what price is showing me, guys. So if price is moving higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows to a key level, and in which I want to sell that market, I want to short that market, what I do is that I bring out my trend line. As you can see, this one here, I plot my trend line and I wait for a break of that trend line. I wait for a break of that trend line. But if price just blow past my level, let me say, okay, let's use this aspect here. So if you look here now, you see that price was making what? High highs, higher low, high highs, higher lows, high highs to this level. So in this kind of situation, you bring out your trend line, plot your trend line, and wait for a break. But in this situation where price just move straight up to your key level, you use what? Candlestick pattern to execute your trade. You get the concept. You use candlestick pattern to execute your trade. And if you look here, the candlestick pattern here I'm seeing here is what? Twister top, and you can see price is now heading lower. So as you can see now, price is now heading lower to the downside. So I strongly believe price is coming down here to retest this neckline of the invert head and shoulder, guys. So here, after I plot my trend line, okay, I was just waiting for a break. So this dodgy here, you get this dodgy here, this dodgy, like it just open and close at the same place. Now I saw this red candle, you get, open below my trend line. This trend line, this red candle here opened below my trend line. I say, okay, good, this is high time for me to do or to execute this trade. You get the concept. And what did I do? I went to my 30-minute time frame, and on my 30-minute time frame, this dodgy here, this dodgy candle closed below my trend line. You get the concept. And I executed this trade. Okay, place my take profit here and my SA here, and as you can see, this trade gave me massive pips. You get the concept. 152 pips. So if I use my measurement tool here to measure this trade from my entry point to my take profit, okay, to my take profit, okay, 152 pips. So here you can see it here, 152 pips. Okay guys, thank you very much. You made it up to this very video. Do subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you get notified by YouTube whenever an awesome video like this is dropped, guys. So I'll be coming here to show you my maybe I'll make analysis and show you what I'm about to look for that day, or if I fail to show you guys my analysis, maybe before and after the trade, if trade hits my SL, I'll come here and show you. If it hits my take profit, I'll still come here and show you, but more often than not, I'll be showing you guys my analysis and what I'm looking for that day, guys. So thank you very much for making it up to this very video. I do really appreciate your good works. Thank you. Make sure you like the video to break out YouTube algorithm. See you in our subsequent videos. Peace.